Be honest with me. How many times have you slept for 8 hours and still woke up feeling dead, like your eyes are open, but your brain still in airplane mode? You checked the time. You did everything right, slept early, didn't pull an all-nighter, and yet you're exhausted. Here's the scary part. It's not normal, and it's not because you're lazy. Today I'm going to tell you why this happens and how to fix it without supplements, fancy gadgets, or waking up at 5 a.m. Trust me, this might explain a lot. Section 1. 8 hours good sleep. First truth, 8 hours doesn't automatically mean quality sleep. Sleep isn't just on or off. It has stages: light sleep, deep sleep, REM sleep. Deep sleep is where your body recovers. REM is where your brain resets. If you miss these, you wake up tired, no matter how long you slept. And guess what messes these stages up? Your daily habits. Section 2. Your brain never shuts off. Let me guess. You go to bed, but your brain doesn't. You're replaying school stress, deadlines, regrets, random conversations from 2018. That's because your nervous system is still in alert mode. Your body is in bed. Your mind is still on duty. So you sleep, but you don't rest. This is super common in students who overthink, procrastinate, or stay stressed all day, and the fix isn't sleep harder. Section 3. Your phone is sabotaging you. This one hurts. Your phone before bed? Yeah, it's a problem. Not just because of blue light, but because of mental stimulation, short videos, messages, drama, noise. Your brain thinks something important might happen, so it stays half awake all night. You fall asleep faster, but your sleep becomes shallow. That's why you wake up feeling like, I slept, but it didn't count. Here's what actually works. Section 4. Create a brain shutdown ritual. You need a signal that tells your brain it's safe to shut down. Not motivation, a routine, simple one, same sleep time. Not perfect, just consistent. 30 minutes, no phone, dim lights, do one boring thing. Reading, stretching, writing tomorrow's to-do list. Why the list? Because your brain relaxes when it knows, okay, I won't forget. But this next mistake is the biggest one. Section 5. You're waking up in the wrong sleep stage. Ever wake up and feel worse than before sleeping? That's because you woke up mid-deep sleep. Your alarm doesn't care, it just screams. If your sleep schedule is random, this happens a lot. Try sleeping in 90-minute cycles, 6 hours, 7.5 hours, or 9 hours. Not perfect, but way better than random. And if you hit snooze, you restart a sleep cycle and destroy it. Yeah, snooze is evil. Section 6. Fix your day to fix your night. Here's the truth nobody tells you. Sleep starts in the morning. Sunlight within 30 minutes of waking. Move your body a bit. Eat at consistent times, and stop studying or scrolling in bed. Your bed should mean sleep, not stress. When your day is chaotic, your sleep pays the price. Conclusion. So let's recap. You wake up tired because sleep quality matters more than hours. Your brain never fully shuts down. Your phone overstimulates you. Your sleep timing is off, and your day is messing with your night. Good news? You don't need to change everything. Try this tonight. No phone 30 minutes before bed. Write tomorrow's tasks. Sleep at the same time. That's it. Small changes, big difference. Let's stop surviving mornings. Let's actually wake up clear. We're leveling up, without burnout. I'll see you in the next video. Now go fix your sleep.